Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about baggies. Baggies? Yeah, baggies. I'm talking about the normal baggie you see have in your kitchen, both the fold top ones, old sandwich baggies, or the more commonly used ones, the zip top baggies, or Ziploc is probably the most famous brand of them. There are a lot of uses for the various sizes, and there are a lot of sizes. Everything from the snack sizes to the sandwich sizes to the quart to the half gallon, the gallon, gallon and a half, 2 gallon, 2.5 gallon, and even 5 gallon Ziploc bags. And then for certain applications and things, they're even bigger than that. And I'll try to remember to talk to you about those applications before we get to the end. We use a lot of the Ziploc baggies around our place, especially the snack size one. We're taking something apart, working on undoing all the screws on it. Since it's snack size, put all the snack size ones in it, zip it up, and that way we don't lose any of the screws we need to put it back together when we're done. Quart. We use a lot of quart size as well. We buy like the big 5-pound or 10-pound chub of hamburger. Well, get out the kitchen scale, set it there, measure off 1 pound at a time, put it in the quart bag, squeeze all the air out of it, zip it, flatten it up, and freeze it. It's perfect. That way, when we go to do hamburger helper, we got a 1 pound thing of hamburger ready to go. You can also use them to, make hamburgers. You make the patties, you cook it up, and you put them in the sandwich Ziploc bags, zip it up, put them in the freezer. And if you're worried about the sandwich ones are really thin, they don't say freeze on them, fine. Get a bunch of them separated up, 2 or 3 in a sandwich bag with some wax paper or parchment paper between it, zip it up, put those in a quart or gallon size bag that is a freezer bag. You're double bagging them and keeping your meat safer. All right. Now, some of the other applications for baggies, or the big giant monster zipping seal ones there are the ones that you put clothes in. They have a special valve built in. So you put sweaters, blankets, whatever in the bag, you hook the vacuum cleaner up to it, and from this tall, all of a sudden it's down this tall. A great way to store blankets, pillows, and clothes. There's another one out there, which is called an EMP bag. And it has a double zipper on it to seal it up, and you can put your electronics and stuff in it to protect it from an electromagnetic pulse. But that's a very specialized one. So there are a lot of types of baggies out there, from small up to 5 gallons and bigger. So figure out what you need and get some, because those things will be like hen's teeth if we have a major Milwaukee situation. All right, and as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most important of all, keep on prepping and building up your supplies. All right? Take care.